Settling into silence. Find a comfortable seat in a place where you can be undisturbed. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. As you exhale, let go of any external noise and settle into silence. Turn your focus to your breath. Inhale slowly and deeply, then exhale gently. With each breath cycle, feel your mind becoming quieter. Notice the thoughts that come to your mind. Imagine them as leaves on a stream, floating away. With each thought that passes, your mind becomes stiller. As your mind quiets, imagine a deep sense of calm spreading from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes. Feel the quiet expanding within you. Begin to pay attention to the space between your thoughts. In these gaps, find a profound silence. Rest in this space. Bring your awareness to the present moment. Feel the support of the ground beneath you, the air on your skin, and the quiet within you. Slowly start to bring your awareness back to the room. Keep the sense of inner quiet as you take a few more deep breaths. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to appreciate the stillness you've experienced. Stretch if you need to, and approach the rest of your day with a calm and quiet mind. Thank you for taking this time to quiet your mind. May you carry this serenity with you throughout your day.